Good morning. I'm calling to conduct a remote audit of your material documentation, including specification and supplier details. Let's say a supplier wants to recall a component you've already processed. Can you walk me through the steps to ensure that you can identify all lots containing this component?
Of course. Let me retrieve the materials records for you. I'm so sorry. I couldn't provide the complete set of materials data at the moment. Could you please give me a little more time to gather them?
Sure. Please update me by the end of the day.
In the medical device manufacturing world, enhancing traceability through cutting-edge solutions is crucial to meet current global regulatory compliance. However, manufacturers often still rely on spreadsheets and papers to document materials used across a wide range of manufactured products. While it may be the norm, manual documentation unfortunately poses a higher risk of incomplete process, machine, measurement data acquisition and harmonization. During critical scenarios, such as audits, product recalls, and faulty supplier batches, manufacturers urgently require detailed insights into the specific affected products, as well as trace the potential impact on other products that have the same materials used. In this case, tracking with spreadsheets and papers can be painful, time-consuming, and even prone to error and inconsistent data, especially when any important data is missing, and they are not powerful enough to handle such critical scenarios effectively. With this in mind, can a powerful digitalized system effectively address these challenges by ensuring data traceability, security, and integrity? As an ISO 13485 certified medical device manufacturer, an automated solution that records manufacturing data at each stage in real time with an efficient archiving system is essential to ensure all documentation is available for any specific occasion. With the right solution, you will obtain the following benefits. A centralized traceability system provides a single source of truth for all manufacturing data, and a digitalized solution with easy integration into your enterprise resource planning system and shop floor. The Advanced Manufacturing Execution System is a flexible, reliable, and efficient solution tailored to your medical device manufacturing needs, providing user-friendly access to all important manufacturing data. With a powerful MES, you get to ensure data for all manufactured products is digitally recorded, searchable, and stored in a centralized way. On top of that, the system is capable of documenting complete and accurate data over your entire manufacturing line, based on Alcoa++ principles using a checksum method against data manipulation. This guarantees complete data security and integrity, while ensuring effortless audits and full regulatory compliances. Also, you'll never need to worry about integration challenges, as our powerful automated system easily connects with your ERP system and shop floor. This streamlines shop floor operations, enabling you to enhance materials and production traceability. Achieving traceability is always the key to be audit-ready. Equip yourself with an all-in-one manufacturing execution system solution, Inframe Synapse MES Medical Devices Edition, to comply with the latest global regulations. Want to learn more? Let's get in touch. Visit camline.com. Work smarter. Achieve more.